Negenta kobage kwearigania chinsa chinge chire mutwana litikolyangyo rinde bachi koba bagotegerera budget iria chikobage kobatuka muno mwaziri bwekega nchanjuguna ndungu ni gobono abamenyi be county ya Kisii banyere koba bagweso kena kobatuka ebirengereri byabo ekobatukane budget iria chikobage kobatuka litikolyangyo anene naboigo Mswada oria orengete chibesa gose finance bill bakoragwa amanera kefumbui na Mugaka nigo banyareko baba kwemurungania ekobwatekana nebango enene yeserikali egendrete kobage komenta abakenya sibate biringira chikoba gekoba egurube enena se obokorerina aboigo bogimo bwabo bwakariti kuronya nabo nigo banyareko baba kobolia eserikali nyareko bage kurigireria asobwa galikigima igoro ya ebango hira chikobage kobekwa gose komentwa ochia sebinto biria byakeritwe birigendete koba bikobeka Kenya hagendere koba nobugima bwabo bwakiraritiko
%. These are the personal vehicles that a person has purchased. The government input is not there, no subsidy. How do you come in again say that you want 2.5 from what somebody has purchased? It has been taxed at the port before it comes into the country, so such extra tax should also be ignored. Look about the issue of road levy that intend to increase.
We expect on the budget that the major winners to be research and innovations, because that's the backbone for any country in the world. If any country in the world does not invest on the research and innovations, the rest would be just for funds. As you look at last time, the government increased budgets to the county government, but now the technicality behind the county government for the last 15 years, every county government is busy wanting to build a very good stadium. For what? For what reason? Kenya has not reached a luxuriant ways. Between investing in building a road and investing on education, which can you choose as a family? You cannot build a very nice home while the people who stay in that home are not educated. Honestly, I think it is high time our government must look on the issue of education sector.
Togoska motwe ase sekta yoboremi chingaki abaremi anene bekemerige chai bagenda takoba bakwe arigania goso